going on with this, yeah? Four boost leaks found. There's a pipe down there. Boost leak from there. Some type of boost leak come from underneath here. So what was the other one? I think three. And there's another one underneath the inlet, underneath all this. Also, oil leak. So, what your boy StreetModz is about to do, yeah? I don't really want to do it. Your man's about to strip off everything, you get me? No, I'm playing. I'm about to take everything off. Don't really want to do it, but look at the weather. Weather's good. So I ain't really got any excuse. Only thing is, I don't have another car. So, in hindsight, I'm in shit street. And you know the StreetModz side of me, he just wants to get stuff done. Oh, there it goes, man. Stay tuned. Too much stuff to take apart. Double the trouble. Anyway, replacing all these holes with you know who they are. Creation Motorsports. Changing all the clips as well, because you know all these clips are all the clips and that. All ratty and tatty and that. Look at that. Whack. So yeah, just kind of cleaning up everything. And then change the gaskets. Change the secondary. The secondary water pump was leaking. Change that. And then done. Boom. Bob's your uncle.